The sun always shines above the clouds. Some of us want to reach the sky, some want to fly like a bird in the sky. Whatever, blue sky looks so beautiful. Hi everyone, welcome to Shri Krishna Kitchen. Today I am preparing two types of sev puri. Sev puri made with the crispy puri topped with the potatoes, onion, tomatoes and variety of chutneys. Let us see the ingredients. Today I am preparing egg sev puri and potato sev puri. We require 3 chutneys. Here I have soaked 10 de-seeded dates in hot water, lemon size tamarind in hot water, 2 eggs, red chili paste, green chutney. Whenever I prepare chaat, I prepare some chutney, store in the refrigerator. I have little green chutney, but it is not sufficient, so I am going to prepare little more green chutney. Dates I have already de-seeded. Add into the mixie jar. Add tamarind pulp, small piece of jaggery, quarter teaspoon salt. Grind into smooth paste. Let us prepare green chutney. Some coriander leaves, some pudina leaves, 1 small piece of ginger, 2 pods of garlic, 1 green chilli, quarter teaspoon salt, small groundnut size tamarind. Let us blend it. Sour and sweet chutney, green chutney and red chutneys are ready. Here I have taken 2 boiled eggs. Take only egg white and make into small pieces for egg sev puri. To prepare sev puri, sev and puri are ready. Here I have taken 2 onion sliced into small pieces, 2 boiled potatoes and 2 tomatoes. Mash the potato very well. All the ingredients are ready to make sev puri. Let us add one by one. Initially, place the puris on the plate. Add mashed potato, onion, sprinkle salt on it. Add sweet and sour chutney. Add green chutney and red chutney. Add egg, boiled eggs. Only egg white I am adding. Add little red chutney over it. Sprinkle bit salt, coriander leaves. Finally, sev. If you add sev initially, it becomes soggy. Keep tomato. Egg sev puri is ready. Now, let us prepare plain sev puri. Arrange puri on the plate. add onion, add mashed potato, coriander leaves, red and sour chutney, green chutney, red chutney, add some salt, add save on top, tomato, coriander leaves. Egg sev puri, batata sev puri, both are ready. Suddenly it flashed into my mind that if we add dahi, it will be dahi puri. So let me arrange for dahi puri. Arrange puri on the plate. Add sweet and sour chutney, green chutney, red chutney, bit salt, onion, coriander leaves, mashed potato, add curd on it. I've added salt into it. Finally, save. Tomato, coriander leaves. Friends, sev puri or batata sev puri, egg sev puri and dahi batata sev puri are ready to eat. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to this channel.